Hey guys, welcome to a different kind of video. Yes, I know there's tropical activity out here at the moment, but this is a more important this is more important than all the tropical activity at the moment. The UK is now getting severe thunderstorms after the heat wave that we've had for over months and months and months. The UK is finally getting some rainfall. Thank God for that. Finally getting some rainfall, and I will circle the areas of where the rainfall is going to be. So this is where the heavy thunderstorms are going to be. As you can see, you get the heavy thunderstorms in parts of Banbury, Stratford-upon-Avon, Worcester, Herefordshire, Telford, Shrewsbury, Wrexham, Stoke-on-Trent, Manchester. You're getting some very heavy rainfall. There is a storm system off the coast of the UK here in the Atlantic, little area of system, which will end up delivering the showers and the storms. Some with the parts of France, but then as it is tomorrow, so basically the storm system does move away, thankfully, but more heavy rainfall comes in tomorrow. Again, thunderstorms again at 7 o'clock tomorrow. Heavy rainfall in Aberystwyth, Newtown, Carnarvon, Wrexham, Stoke-on-Trent. Birmingham is getting 32, just outside of Birmingham, which is here, by the way. So like near Nuneaton, Coventry, 18 to 16 millimeters of rainfall an hour. Obviously, my area is about 0.5 millimeters an hour. Stoke is getting about 8.6 millimeters an hour. Ashburn is going to get 16 to 32 millimeters an hour. Derby is in the orange. Leicester, of course, isn't. Obviously, at this point, Nuneaton, Leicester, Northampton, Welling, Royce, basically Cambridge, Sunbury, Clacton-on-Tees. You're going to get some very heavy rainfall. Felixstowe, Canterbury, Ashbury, Rochdale, Maidstone, Brighton. You're going to get some heavy rainfall as well. Southampton, you're going to get some rainfall, but not as much heavy rainfall. Swindon, you're not really in the heavy rainfall area. You could expect some significant rainfall soon, but it's more likely in the Midlands and the southern part of and southeast part of the United Kingdom. That is going to get the significant rainfall and thunderstorms. So Ipswich, Sunbury, Chelmsford, Rochdale, Canterbury, Dover, Hastings, like all places like this, Cambridge, Huntingdon, just outside of Graham, Nottingham, Derby, Leicester, Coventry, Stoke, Telford, Shrewsbury, Newtown, Barmouth, Aberystwyth, and then literally in Ireland, You guys in Ireland could get some significant rainfall as well from this system. You can see where the system is. This is the center of the system, by the way. So you can see how far the system is actually. It's about 1,000 miles away, but it's still delivering some significant and very heavy rainfall to the United Kingdom. But most part is the middle to southeast part of the United Kingdom that's going to get the most heavy rainfall. Just outside of London, I would say. But like anywhere in the Midlands and Staffordshire, you guys are in very, very, very significant rainfall at the moment. Thunderstorms are going. I'll probably go live later on the system. Of course, cloud cover. Obviously, we're going to see what the cloud cover is. Yeah, obviously, the cloud cover is over at the moment. Pretty much cloud cover. It's pretty much over the United Kingdom. But you can see the massive cloud cover over here. This is a storm. You can see the storm. This is the storm right here. You can see it off the map. Literally, you can see it. This is for tomorrow, by the way. But right now, though, if we go to about 9 o'clock, this is what it looks like now. Rainfall and millimeters potential. Not as bad, but in some places you could expect some significant rainfall. But the worst of it is going to come tomorrow. Herefordshire, Birmingham, Bradbury, Milton Keynes, Reading, London, Swindon, Yeovil, Exeter. All of you guys need to watch out for this system. But as I say, it does start moving towards the east. So hopefully it should start letting up. But as of about, I'd say one, new bands of rain comes in. See the bands for 4:30, 4:45, 5 o'clock, 5:15, 5:30, 5:45, 6 o'clock, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, 7 o'clock, 7:15. By 7:15 tomorrow, pretty much the whole Midlands is going to be covered in thunderstorms. Lincoln, Nottingham, Peterborough, Cambridge, Birmingham, Stoke, Newton, some parts of Wales, some parts of southern Ireland as well. Southampton, Reading, Swindon, you could get some rainfall from this system as well. Probably not thunderstorms, but you could get some rainfall. About 7:30, it's pretty much still there. It starts moving up towards the north. So Wrexham, Sheffield, and about 8 o'clock, it's more widespread. Pretty much so after 8 o'clock, we don't know what's going to happen. 9 o'clock, of course. 9:15. 9:30. You see more. Look, it's more widespread now, and the more damaging part is like Cambridge, Peterborough. It's not really in Southampton anymore, but it's with Cambridge, Clacton, London, Rochdale, Peterborough, Sheffield, Manchester, Wrexham, and parts of Wales, and parts of northern Wales and southern Wales. You guys are going to get some significant rainfall. Where I am, yes, it's probably a month's rainfall at the moment. Some places are expected a month worth of rainfall, which is needed because we've the massive drought we've had here in the United Kingdom from this weather that we've had, this 40 degree heat. Yeah, but some severe thunderstorms, and I will show you the actual on proper. I can't show you radar and whatnot, but I can try and show you the actual storm on models. Yeah, but as we go into 10 o'clock, 10:15, as you can see, it starts moving towards the north. 11:15, starts moving up to Preston. So Scotland, you guys could still try and be in the cone. It does move towards Manchester, Sheffield, Lincoln, parts of up there, Boston, Peterborough, Cape. It starts moving away from the south and moves towards the north because this storm system is finally moving away. I think it's moving away and moving further north. As you can see, though, it probably is moving further north. But yeah, as you can see, 11:30, 11:45, 12:15. Again, my area right now, if I zoom in again with the red, I'm literally going to be in the red. Well, I'm going to be in the orange at 1 o'clock tomorrow. 1 o'clock to 1 p.m. I'm going to be in orange or the yellow warning or whatnot, probably for the rain. It passes into the green part and then I'm back again in the orange part. So I'm in the orange part. So yeah, pretty much right now I'm in the orange part, but that is for tomorrow. This is for the widespread thunderstorms. It gets really bad tomorrow. I'm gonna be expecting about 4 to 8 millimeters of rainfall an hour, which could lead up to flooding. And then I'm in the green. I'm in the green to orange again, and then obviously then I'm in the yellow. And then after that, I'm in the green. And then hopefully about 3 o'clock, it should start letting up. And then again, probably more thunderstorms about 4:45 tomorrow. So about half 4 to about 4:45. 5 o'clock tomorrow, more thunderstorms again, and then obviously after that, between 6 o'clock, even more thunderstorms, but this time it's towards the more eastern part and the more northern part of the UK. So I'm at the question, which is good news, but again, as you head towards 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then obviously hopefully by Friday, as you can see, it's just this part of the UK that has the significant thunderstorms. So don't get me wrong, because it's rain. So like Cambridge, Friday, 3 o'clock. And then it really starts getting significant again. It moves towards Europe. But this time, obviously, no rainfall, which is brilliant. But as you can see, heavy on Friday. Very heavy indeed. Moves out by 8 o'clock. And then obviously it moves out towards obviously this is the actual storm system, I think. So yeah, this is the actual storm system. Yep, this is the actual storm system. So it somewhat moves over the UK, but a lot further north. I think it does move, makes landfall, I think, or probably just grazes or moves further north. But yeah, as you can see, nothing after 10 o'clock. It actually clears England. It moves towards Scotland now, but the northern parts, from Whitby, Newcastle, the line, where we between Jedburgh, Biggar, Dundee, Piccolo, Aberdeen, Aberlour, Loch, Ralph, Law, Wick, Dudness, Kirk, Liverpool, Fort William, Glasgow, Cumnock, Dumfries. Yep, as you can see, some rainfall, and then some more rainfall comes in again towards the south on Friday. As you can see, so it's pretty much 3 days of non-stop thunderstorms, which is going to be bad, but also at the same time it could be good. But it's not as much as it is on Thursday. This time it's towards the further towards the south, so like Swindon, Exeter, Yeovil, Southampton. But I'm still in that that blue kind of area, so I could still, again, for the third time, for 3 days in a row. So I'll have a video out tomorrow and a video out the next day covering this thunderstorms, the severe weather on the UK. But yeah, other than that, yes, Swindon, Reading, rainfall about up to between 16 to 32 millimeters of rainfall to about 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. So they're expecting that general area. Same with Southampton. Obviously, the one that's near Birmingham is moving towards the south. Banbury, again, over to Milton Keynes. Again, Milton Keynes could have some very significant rainfall. So with Cambridge, Peterborough, London, Rochdale on Friday, Saturday. No, well, this is still Friday, by the way. Milton Keynes towards the north. It's still fine towards the north. Little areas of rainfall, but it's more towards the south. Friday towards Cambridge, Ipswich again, and then obviously Saturday it's Peterlee again. So like Saturday, right here, even more of the rainfall coming in on Saturday. Again, only for a short amount of time though. Short amount of time. 1, 2, and then only for like, what, about 6 hours, and then obviously it moves out. So yeah, anyway guys, hope you do like this video. Sorry for chatting too much and whatnot. I'll still cover some more of the system tomorrow. So don't forget to stay like, comment, subscribe, share. See you in the next update. Stay safe, stay blessed. If you all stay safe from this storm. And I love you. I'll see you soon. And goodbye from me.